Meet your perfect companion for a high-class active lifestyle. Shaped to embody Quattro DNA with a progressive body type. Adapting to you and the terrain with all-road capability. A 360 panorama sphere for experiences which are immersive, personal, and holistic. A space for leisure and for adventure. Engaging all of your senses. A symbiosis of elegance, practicality, and capability. Experience a vision of future premium mobility, enabling your lifestyle, enhancing your reality, empowering your adventures. The Audi Active Sphere concept, the ultimate freedom.